Hey, what's up? Welcome to DGenEd. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts, like the chart behind me, which is of AMC Entertainment, ticker symbol AMC. And here we are looking at it on the daily time frame after the market has closed on Friday, April 12th, closing the week down about 12% over the course of the week, and on the day, on Friday, being down just over 5%, closing at a price of $2.65. And I do think it is pretty interesting that it closed exactly at this level that I thought might be significant. And so I did want to go over that, and also did want to point out that last week's video, I think, actually came out on Saturday following the trading day of Friday, April 5th. And we closed last week at a price of $3.01. So we were just hanging on to $3 a share. But it does look like, if we do look at the chart, we do have this big down move over the course of a few days, and then consolidation, suggesting that was a bear flag. And from that, we have continued lower. We also have followed along the center of this shaded channel that I have drawn on the chart in previous videos. And so I do think it is pretty interesting that we are just hanging out right along that, actually being below it now in the red. So, I am wondering if price will be dipping lower, but I do think we may have landed at a potentially significant level. And so that is based on the Fibonacci retracement here, going from the low hit on February 6th, which was at a price of $3.58.5, and then going up to the high here, hit on February 28th, being at a price of $5.10. And so from that Fibonacci retracement, we can see the 1618 extension here is at a price of $2.64.9. And we closed just above that for the week on the day of Friday, April 12th. So I find that pretty interesting, and so I'm very curious to see where price goes next week. If we are able to hold that level, if we are able to get a bounce potentially up to test this white downtrending line, that would be going up to a price of right around $3.35, somewhere around there. That would also be getting above these candles that we've seen on our way down. And so I do think it would be good to be seeing a close above April 2nd's high, which was at a price of $3.21. So if we can start to get consecutive closes next week above 321, especially if we can close the week above 321, I do think that would be really good. But really, I have to say, it sucks that the price is well below $3 a share. But, I think that this could potentially be a great dip buying opportunity. However, though, I do want to note, I have said that before, and price really just has been going down over the course of this year. But, I do think there's a lot in store for AMC for the second half of the year. So this could be a great time to slowly accumulate more and more AMC, because I do think that we will be higher than 265, if not later this year, definitely by the end of it. So, I am thinking about that and looking forward to it, but I'm also trying to enjoy the cheap shares while they last. But, those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot, happy weekend, and enjoy some movies this beautiful weekend. Take care.